Right, so everyone, that's Atul.
Okay.
He's a Webtalk blogger. He's a very good blogger. He does a lot of deep blogs. I was hoping he'd get a bit deeper with himself.
And I started giving interviews, and in interviews they asked, have you worked on any projects? And I said no. And then they offered me, you need to start doing this course with us, you need to pay again. And in India it's like that. People ask you to do a job. When you go there, they will say that, but you have not too much knowledge. You can just in our company for free, or you can pay us to teach you how to do a job. As I was saying, like I was creating blog posts, like it was for 1 year, and I was not earning. Instead, I was paying like for a blog a year. I paid like $100 per year for blog, domain and hosting. And after that, I saw.
Even with blogging, if you blog on another thing, like from previously blogging before Webtalk, you've still got to have that link that you share to other social media platforms. So if it's a Wix website that you blog from, they're still got to click on your Wix website link. So by blogging in Webtalk and synchronizing it, you're doing the exact same thing, except you're not paying any hosting fees, and you're actually earning. So you don't have to hook up AdSense to your Wix site or whatever.
Different blog, and after that, when I see that I can earn on Webtalk for doing what I was doing, creating posts, I started creating content related, like blogging on Webtalk. And after that, I started writing, and I started teaching people how they can earn online, they can grow online on Webtalk and all. And after that, I just started seeing the results. So that's all.
Money.
Yeah.
Money.
Yeah.
Money.
Yeah.
Money.
Yeah.